We got these amazing switches in from Creamy. Thank you, Creamy. Here are these amazing switches. Just going to switch over to the action cam. Okay. These are called Zelio. No, wait a sec. These are called These are Aristotles. These are Aristotles. Okay. Check this out. They're in Gateron Housings. And they click. Okay, I'm going to click it up by the mic. Okay, I'm going to crack this puppy open. Even though I probably... Creamy, I don't know if you sent them to me for me to do that, but I'm going to do it anyways because that's what I'm like. So the Zeliostotle has... it has a stem... I keep saying Zeliostotle. It's like a Gateron stotle. So they're Aristotles in Gateron housing because I understand that the housing that these originally came in was very poor. Oh, right. Okay, I see how it works. So it's like an MX Blue, but it's got this crazy slider. Well, that is a crazy, crazy slider. Oh, yeah, okay. Here. I don't want to let this go up too high. Can you guys see that? Can you see it?
Yes, not Zeliostoles,
They're Gatistotles. And the reason they're Gatistotles and not Zeliostotles is that they have black bottoms. These we didn't rip apart. But these have blue springs in them. That's super cool. And actually, you see, they don't jump all the way out all on their own because they got that little hook at the bottom of them. These are pretty clever little... Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm going to put this back together now. So these are a custom switch that are really only available... They're super cool, man. These are really only available from Creamy, as far as I know. So these are like a really rare custom switch, and I'm just so stoked to be able to... Cherry, Gateron, Aristotles. The Aristotles have a blue spring in them. They're like a higher pitched. They're the same but higher pitched. Thank you again to Creamy for the Aristotles. They're a super cool switch, and you should be really stoked with how those have turned out. Don't forget, guys, to press like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Well, thanks again, guys. Really appreciate it. We'll see you again soon.